Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening Chrome and going straight to Settings, no detours. Make sure Chrome is updated because menus can shift between versions. If you want changes synced, sign into your profile first. Then click the three-dot menu, choose Settings, and select Search Engine. Once done, you'll see the current default and shortcuts. This is where you start changing how Chrome resolves queries. Act now, delaying just adds steps later. Now you manage entries. Click Manage Search Engines and Site Search to view the list. To add a new engine, press Add and provide a clear name, a short keyword for quick access, and the search URL that contains %s where queries go. Edit any existing engine to update its keyword or URL template. This fixes broken providers. Make sure the URL uses HTTPS and includes %s exactly. Otherwise, Chrome won't substitute your terms. These steps control how queries are routed and why. Finish by making your chosen engine the default. Click its menu button and select Make Default. Then test in the Omnibox. Type a keyword or phrase and press Enter to confirm the results go to the intended provider. If it doesn't work, make sure the search URL contains %s and that no duplicate keywords conflict. Once done, restart Chrome and sync if needed. If problems persist, remove and re-add the engine. That usually clears template or keyword conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.